So for this entry, we will be reviewing all of the items that I completed throughout the semester. The first one will be the collegial coaching personal reflection. In this assignment, I completed the Myers-Briggs type indicator test, which identified my personality type as INTJ, which stands for introverted, intuitive, thinking, and judging. And for this, it did shed some light on my natural tendencies and strengths as a coach and a natural leader. Things that I was able to identify were things that I already knew about myself, but it did allow for me to gain some insight on why I do the things that I do, but it also opened up my eyes to some weaknesses that I would be able to work on during the semester while I was coaching the other individuals to complete my end of semester project. I found it very valuable completing this exercise because I was able to gain some significant insight on things I could work on. Now, the second thing that I completed was the presentation of an innovative professional development tool. For this one, I chose the Teams app because I do use this application in my everyday work life. Though it is not education, it is something that I utilize on a daily basis. I find it extremely useful for being able to communicate with my fellow peers and my tenants because I am in the parking industry, and with potential tenants and just actually, everyone else, because I do utilize that for my calendar, and I find it extremely useful, and I think that it would be a super useful tool to utilize in the classroom as well with parents, other teachers, and with students, because it does keep everything super professional, and you're able to utilize a calendar feature. If you're interested, I would recommend taking a look at that. And then the last project that I completed during this semester was the collegial coaching personal reflection in portfolio. And I already downloaded it here. And during the reflection, the one thing I did take was the Myers-Briggs type indicator, and I utilized that to be able to assist in my coaching style. And during this time, I was able to better assist my coachees on the transition that we were making throughout this semester into our new parking systems. And I got really good feedback from them, stating that they could see that I had adapted better to them and their learning style throughout this time. And as you can see, I had quite a bit of feedback for them as well as feedback for me. And I think it was a really good learning experience for all parties involved. And that is it.